Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share the unboxing and my first impressions of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds2 Pro. These earbuds promise a lot with improved sound and upgraded active noise cancellation and more comfortable design. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's check out this packaging. Samsung has opted for a sleek minimalist design that's both visually appealing and eco-conscious. The box is made from recycled materials, which is a big plus for sustainability. Let's open this up. I'm just going to use this blade and cut it open here. Okay, let's open this up and let's check to see what is inside this package. Just gonna pull it out. And here we have the star of the show. At the top here are the booklet. So there is a booklet inside. Just some instruction inside. Nothing else. Just some quick starter guides that we have in here. And underneath that is the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro themselves. Nestled in a compact charging case, I've got this in the stunning graphite finish, which looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to open up this paper package right here. Just gonna peel it open. The case feels smooth and sturdy with a nice satisfying click when you open and close it. I'm taking the earbuds out of the case. They feel incredibly lightweight and well made. The ergonomic design seems like it will provide a comfortable fit. And speaking of fit, Samsung has included 3 different sizes of ear tips, so you can find the perfect one for your ear. So in here, there is a charging cable. And inside the charging cable, there is this ear tips right here that you can replace. So we can open it up. So there is 2 extra ones, small size, medium size that I already have put on the earbuds, and then you got a larger size right here. And in this box here, you also find a USB-C charging cable and a quick starter guide. It's worth noting that there is no charger, no power adapter included, but that's pretty standard these days. My initial impressions are very positive. The Buds 2 Pro are smaller and lighter than the previous generation, which is great for comfort. They look stylish and understated, fitting well in the ear without sticking out too much. Now let's talk about some of the key features. These earbuds boast active noise cancellation ANC, which should block out unwanted noise for a more immersive listening experience. They also offer 360 audio, which is supposed to create a more realistic and spacious soundstage. And importantly, they're rated IPX7 for water resistance, so you can wear them during workouts or in the rain without worry. Now I'm really excited to test this out further and see how they perform in the real world. I'll be posting a full review soon, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro so far. Are you planning to pick up a pair? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.